Coming up with ideas for marketing videos can be a huge pain and a huge time suck. Not anymore. Thanks to ChatGPT, I'm going to show you a really easy way to come up with awesome ideas for your next marketing video. So stay tuned. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm just going to take Whitespark as an example. If you do have a local business and you're not using any type of SEO software, I'll put the link in the description below. But Whitespark is a really good platform for helping you boost your local SEO. And they do a lot of marketing on YouTube. So they create a lot of marketing videos, which I'm showing here. And they're all about just, local SEO. So how to help local businesses grow their online presence, and then they showcase their software a lot in this as well. So you can check this out. You can see all through here. But basically all I had to do to get started was I just took all of their marketing video titles and I copied them over, and I told ChatGPT that's what I was doing. So I just said, here's a list of my recent marketing video titles, and then I provided it. So I hit enter too quickly, and then it asked them for them. So then I just literally copy and pasted them into this. So I pasted them all, and it knew what I was trying to do already because I'd asked it about blog articles. And so it knew I was trying to generate a list of new ideas. So let's just, to familiarize yourself, here are some of the titles. Watch me optimize a business for local SEO, rank all over your city with this strategy. I did not expect this. Easy local SEO rankings. Caution, AI generated content might tank your rankings, right? So it's even talking about AI. Geotagging does not work for local SEO. So you can see really cool titles that all have to do with local SEO. I even put in ChatGPT stinks at local SEO, right? So ChatGPT probably didn't like that very much, but it uses all that data then to understand what the videos have been about, what titles and type of content you make, and that your audience is interested in. And then it just started generating really great ideas for me for future videos, which was super cool. And all I had to do was ask it to use my current videos to generate more ideas for me. So you can see exactly, these sound exactly like the type of videos that would be on that channel. The power of reviews, how positive Google reviews boost your local SEO, the changing landscape of local SEO, key ranking factors in 2023, AI and SEO, risks and reward of AI generated content for local SEO, service pages, the keys to ranking for more keywords, unveiling a new tool, revolutionize your local SEO competitive analysis. So all of a sudden, all of these videos sound like they'd be great for the channel. Honestly, some of these are ones I'd love to watch if they had them. They're available, and you may want to too. So that's it. So you just, to generate really great marketing video or video ideas for your business, just copy and paste in the existing titles that you have. Tell ChatGPT that's what those are, and then ask it based on that list to generate more ideas for you for your marketing videos. And you're going to be really impressed with what it comes up with after that. So that's it. So that's how you can use AI, specifically ChatGPT, to come up with marketing video ideas. Really simple, easy to do, and it comes up with really awesome results too. So if you like this tip, be sure to subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment with some of the ideas that maybe ChatGPT generated for you. Or if you have any questions or anything, ask those too. Thanks, and wishing you an awesome rest of the day.